Pop's belting school, where diligent students learn the rules of the road.
Everyone, put down your books, because it's time to pick out the hall monitor of the day. Let's see here. This space hall monitor will be Bart, Jimmy, no, Tina, Ralph, Bob. It's Jimmy. Jimmy's the hall monitor.
Mrs. Pop, I've done it already.
Oh, Phil?
The way, Mrs. Pop.
Tina, you're the hall monitor.
Hey, I've done it 3 times already.
Phil?
She graduated.
Henry? Vera? Please? All right. I guess I have no choice. The hall monitor of the day is... SpongeBob.
Hall monitor SpongeBob reporting for duty, ma'am. I'm ready to assume my position in the hall. I will protect our letter wing in the hall. All rules will be enforced in the hall.
Okay. Just take the hat and belt.
I can't accept that yet, ma'am. First I have to make my speech.
You can't make this easy, can you?
Patrick! Who am I to deserve such a great honor? Why, I would be nothing without Mrs. Puff.
Give me a break.
And to my public, all I can say is I'm touched. And furthermore, I will carry out my crime and punishment and crime in the hall. Which reminds me of an extremely long speech written by the greatest hall monitor of all time. Friends, students, juvenile delinquents, lend me your ears. In conclusion, and without a moment to spare, I will put on this uniform and assume my duties as hall monitor. Wish me luck, Mrs. Pop. Oh, I live here.
SpongeBob, are you okay?
I overdid the speech again, didn't I?
I'm afraid so.
Aw, tartar sauce. I guess I won't be needing this. I hardly knew you.
SpongeBob?
Yes, Mrs. Bob?
I can at least let you wear it until tomorrow.
Yes, Mrs. Pop?
What are the consequences of what I've just done? Oh.
Racing the lift, not the hall. We're supposed to live, monitor. Let's take and make them hall. Broken traffic light. Who's to say my monitor duties should end just because the bell rang? I can be helpful anywhere. This looks like a job for the hall monitor. What could this town do without you, SpongeBob? On patrol! I'm on patrol! Uh-oh, an open window. Boy, really medley deal. Ooh, that's something else susceptible to danger. Must show them the error of their ways. True, people castle. I'm the open window maniac! I hope you learned a valuable lesson. On patrol, I'm on patrol, I'm on patrol. Vandal, another crime. Strawberry, I want that. Patrick, Patrick, Patrick.
Fire scream! It's alive!
Patrick, down here!
Oh, SpongeBob, it's you!
Patrick, come down here.
SpongeBob! SpongeBob!
And down here.
You look funny! Hi, SpongeBob.
That's hall monitor to you.
Sorry, officer.
Sorry's not good enough, Patrick. You've just committed a crime, and I'm taking you in.
What crime? I'm a bad person!
Take it, friends. Arm yourselves with knowledge. Maniac, Bikini Bottom, this car wreck is a break-in. Who better to bring this maniac to justice than me?
The Hall Monitor!
But I can't handle this case alone. Patrick, are you ready to give up your life of crime?
I want to be good!
Now you just need a symbol of authority. Perfect. It is our duty to catch this maniac and bring him to justice. But how to proceed? Listen to me. You're an ex-criminal. What would you do?
I get an ice cream.
Okay? It isn't working. We've got to do something else. Something with walkie-talkie. And now, duty calls. All right, Stephanie. I'll go that way. You go some different way.
Kapikit talaga. Wala kapikit. Kilikili.
We're looking for the maniac.
Have you seen?
Kinikilig naman yun.
It's a maniac! Take him away! Take him away!
Calm down, son. It's just a drawing, not the real thing. Now we're gonna show you this picture again. And you tell us if you've seen this guy, understand?
No.
Okay.
Oh, horrible!
Stay indoors, son.
Stay indoors, son.
And take that cone off your head. SpongeBob.
Come in.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob report.
I don't want to be a policeman anymore. I'm scared.
Ah! Takot ka kay Papa. Rookie.
All right, I'm on my way back.
Hurry, SpongeBob. I think it's getting...
Dong.
Just put on your siren. I'll be right there.
I see you
Where is he, Patrick?
at the intersection of Conch and Coral.
That's where I am. He's right on top of me, but I can't see him. What's he doing?
He's just standing there, menacingly. Get out of there, SpongeBob! That's his maniac shriek. He's going to attack. He's acting all crazy. Run! Hide behind that building. No, he's behind that building. Oh, quick, hide behind that street sign. No, wait. The maniac just went behind that sign. Oh, quick, get into the street light. No, wait. He's there too. Run for your
Say again, Deputy?
life. In the mailbox.
This guy's not half bad looking for me. Wait a minute, Patrick. I'm the maniac.
We'll take that as a confession.
SpongeBob SquarePants, there you are. I turned my back on you for 1 minute and you destroy half the city. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You know this guy?
Of course I do. I'm the one who gave him the uniform in the first place. He's my responsibility. And in conclusion, students,
Apa?
red means stop, green means go. And SpongeBob,
Yes, Mrs. Puff?
I'd like to see you after class. 6 months from now.